what do you do to ensure that there's a consistent voice in different languages? Do you have methodologies for that as well?
We actually talk a lot internally about brand consistency, because that's one of the biggest things that we as localizers should do care about. Again, we're talking it from marketing perspective, because we are essentially putting a face in different locales, and it should make sense. It shouldn't maybe be the same, but it should make sense in a way how it's felt, how it's welcomed in a new market. So there's a huge role in terms of how we ensure that is by working on style guide as much as we can. And since most of our work is done by humans, we absolutely have to make sure that the humans understand what's being asked of them. And the style guide is not just a recommendation, it's really a document that they have to adhere to. And we also try to be as transparent as possible. It means that our translators can talk with our clients and ask questions. And I think Crowden does a good job of creating like a collaborative environment, that there's comments and then there's responses from the team, that there's no stone can be unturned, essentially, and making sure that the voice of the customer is understood in all languages. This is another thing. I would say this is one of the greatest challenges for a localization team, and it has to be one of the top priorities to make sure that the product is conveyed well in those markets.